Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out an amazing new Adobe XD update. Yes, the Adobe XD January update is finally here. And this update brings a lot of cool and exciting new features. So stick till the end to get all the good juice. So the first update is that now if I put an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 11 screen right here, it will actually span the entire area of your phone when you are prototyping. Earlier there used to be these black bezels on the top and bottom which used to look not very good when you're prototyping. So now with the latest update, if you are prototyping on your phone, you will see no black bars and it will be full glorious screen. Also finally you'll be able to use that expensive bezel-less phone that you bought this for. Alright, for the next update you can literally now animate paths, borders and much more in Adobe XD. I'll quickly show you some magic. I have copied this icon from one of my favorites, feathericons.com. They have these cute line icons right here and I've just copied one. If I go back to XD, I give this a very high value for the dash, something like 500, and the gap could be anything, maybe 100 or nothing in this case. And if I duplicate this artboard or create another state for this, I can change the dash to something like 5. Yes, or 10, something like this. And I can increase the gap to 400. So I just have this one line, or I can decrease it a little bit to maybe 200. So we have these two lines, two nice lines. So I can always prototype from this artboard to the first artboard, say tap, auto animate, make sure that's on, ease in out, whatever other settings you need to make, that's it. So if I click on this, click on play, and if I click on this artboard right here, ooh, see how that animated? If of course I slowed it down a lot, say 4 seconds, let's see the magic in that case. If I click on this, ooh, look at this. Look at how smooth and nice it is. So basically, Adobe XD's Auto Animate has gotten a boost by this feature right here. And you can animate any icons. Even if this was round, you could have done something similar to it. And I'm sure there are unlimited possibilities. If you want me to do a video like this, where I show you unlimited possibilities with Auto Animate, make sure you comment that below that you want Adobe XD tutorials. You want more Adobe XD tutorials? I'll bring them to you. Last but not the least is something which is more to understand and less to see, which under their official website says CC Libraries Improvement. Shared design systems work with assets between apps, get more from Creative Cloud libraries with key bug fixes and performance enhancements. So hopefully now you will have better, smoother experiences if you're doing multiple jobs at the same time or you're working with multiple people on the same project. That is what comes out of this update. Comment down below which are the new features you really want to see in Adobe XD. There are a lot of features which I feel are missing that you really want in Adobe XD. I just had to hop in on this. Otherwise, I always see you on Monday and Thursday. Same place, same time. So make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Until next time, God bless.